Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and as you can see it gives us access to other settings, and for now we are interested in the second button here. This is the camera frame, so by tapping on this we can easily change the ratio of the picture. As you can see, for now it's changed to 9:16. When I tap on this again we go to the full frame, so this is the full ratio of this camera. The next one is 1:1, so this is the square one here. And when I tap on this again we go to 3:4 ratio, so that was the original one. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.